The average framer uses 1,000 nails every single day. So I started wondering, what would happen to a guy like me if I tried to do it all by hand? Mother! Oh. Idiot. You're gonna have to blur it. I don't think I can handle doing that again. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will do this for 24 hours straight. So I went out, got a couple boxes of nails and some wood, and today I'm gonna hit 1,000 nails with just a hammer to see exactly how long it takes. Oh my God. This is 500 nails per box. That's 1,000 nails every day.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is bad. First 100 went exactly as you think. I gotta get more efficient with these swings. Bent it. I bent quite a few, and I clearly didn't know how to swing a hammer. I get all sorts of comments about my form. I gotta take this off. I can't do that very long. Oh, that's like a diaper. Dirt. Pay your contractor. This box does not look like it's disappeared at all.
Is it? Wait, how many nails are in it?
500 should be. There it is, the first one. Hit my thumb. I got done with the first 100 in just under 12 minutes, and I only hit my thumb once. What?
Yeah.
6,000 nails? The guy at the shop said it was 500. Okay, I'll be honest. Things did not go to plan.
I think it has 5,000.
Yeah. The whole point of this stupid video was to hammer 1,000 nails. So when I found out that I just bought like 10,000, I was a little bit peeved. That's so annoying. I checked everything. The guy said 500. This is why you pay a real contractor to do real freaking work. This is why AI will never replace a contractor. Now I look like an idiot. Gonna have to get my secret weapon out soon. 101 to 200 did take me 20 minutes, but I did call my boss to make sure I wasn't gonna get fired. We're gonna look something up real quick on the AI. How many nails are in a 50-pound box? Oh, now it tells me? Mother frickin', what the? It says there's 1,000 nails in this box. Says there's 1,000.
Maybe 1,000's right.
Does this look like 1,000? No. Yeah, it looks like way more than 1,000. That's what I mean. I feel some blisters forming. Feel them. My hand's getting hot. Look at that tar on my hands from these nails. Well, camera doesn't have to work as hard as me. Oh yeah, we're getting somewhere now. See that? That's good. I'm getting more efficient the more I do it. Look. 2.
That's true.
Oh, that was bad. No, that can't go unpunished. That one has to be fixed. How many of these can I get prepped for myself, you think? And then come through and smack them. So embarrassing when I just hit the wood like 7 times. You can hear when I miss. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I will do this for 24 hours straight. That's all I ask.
That's not a lot.
I don't need that many likes, Kento. I'm not that vain. Stanley Hammer, Anti-Vibe. Yeah, not sponsored. Shout out 84 Lumber. They were really nice. They let us come buy some stuff. Which is cool. Not everybody has to let you do that.
Let us buy stuff.
Yeah. Also, Dennis, I think was his name. He told me that each one of these boxes have 500 nails in it. And so he just upsold me a whole nother box. I needed a 5th of this. He was supposedly the employee of the month. Now I see why. After throwing a fit about AI just one more time, the 300 split was 15-32 and not a single thumb strike. So, I mean, to be fair, like, it's really hard to, like, replicate breast milk. That's the type of conversation that you have on the job site. You get to talking about breast milk in what, 45 minutes? I'm getting sometimes more efficient. You can see there's less bent as I've moved down the row. Feeling all right. I can feel the hand getting hot. It's such an aggravating sound when I miss and just hit the wood. Mother! Oh yeah, that's a blister there. You see that? There's calluses there too. They're not. This is the other one. Yeah, dude, I'm cooking. We're gonna get through this box. I ain't no. Kevin at Raven Builders, I'm asking you to do this next. Kento, keep counting. Gosh, you have one freaking job.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, that one on my pinky. Oh yeah, it's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. Oh, 10,000 likes. I will do this for 24 hours straight. We got this crap back on track with the 400 split coming in at 1125 and not a single thumb spank. Oh, okay, yeah, it's there. Zero Ultra Drink of Champions. This is the only way I'm gonna get through this box.
Can you like shotgun it? You have to finish it. You should have shotgunned it.
There's no way I would my pants.
You ruined it. We should have shotgunned it. Do like the...
Okay.
I really think I should go get...
Oh, what type of... Oh, what did he get? Pepper.
What's wrong with pepper slug?
Oh, that tastes like metal. My hand a little. Woo! Now it's ready. Nice and sticky.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that feels good. There's one blister. Oh. Oh no. This is not good. R.I.P. Ate and died of tendonitis. Oh! Yep, there's one little rip. Good thing there's some white monster in that blister. Oh. Dang it! That was the first time. Oh! That was the second time I've done that. Surprisingly, I've only done that twice. Okay. Idiot. No! That was a catch. It's fine. I'm concentrating. The white monster only did so much. 500 split, hit 13.5 and 2 deadly thumb strikes. Little blister. Not as soft as I thought it'd be. Here's the dirt one for my rear end. Oh yeah, little clean line there. Maybe one of those nice hammers could send me one if I do this for 24 hours. Stiletto, Martinez, instead of, no offense, but my hand is not falling apart as much as I thought it would. That really hurts my hand. Darn it to heck. These are sloppy. Things have gone south. The efficient range was here. We're looking freaking good right there. These ones are going in okay, but it's taking me a little longer. That hurt. Holy crap. I skinned it a little bit. Woo. Can you see that on the camera? My little thumb? That little blood? You're gonna have to blur it. This is exactly how America was built. They didn't have steel and beams this big, so they just freaking smacked them together with a billion nails. Oh my gosh. The hand is fading. Well, I'm glad your stupid camera's doing good. I've slowed down.
Yeah, you really have. I have dinner to get to, okay?
Sorry you don't care about real work. This is the most real work you've ever done. And it's just watching me do it. Balls! That hurt really bad. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Come closer.
That's shot blood out of my hand. Holy sh**. Can you see it?
I mean, not very well, but...
That's because there's black tar heroin all over my fingers. I hit that, and my finger, all the blood in my thumb, shot out. Holy sharp. Oh, okay. No, I don't want to pour orange tang on my finger. Let me get some blood on this. It's marking it with the different eras. Yeah, there's blood on the board. There's blood in everybody's home.
Holy sh**.
I have willingly consented to this. I accepted the fact that I might hurt my fingers. I will not sue the company for damaging myself. I'm not an idiot. A little bit of idiot.
A lot of blood going on here.
Well, there's a lot of blood in the human body, Kento. Makes the nails slide right through the fingers. All right, we're getting cooked. 501 to 600 took almost 18 minutes. double thumb trouble, and a bunch of soft hand checking. I have to do 400 in a half hour. That is over 110 minutes. That's twice as fast as I've gone. Oh, that was really close to disaster. I did reopen the blood. Okay, there's a blood marker. There will be like progressively more blood, which is really funny. At the 500 mark, I hit my finger. Hit it again at 600. And we just did it again at the 700-ish. And we're bleeding out. Didn't know what I was doing. Bent. Got there. Slowed way down. Oh, okay. Let's do a blister count, should we? There's one down here. Some on my fingers. There's one there. Yep. There's one in the pinky joint, I think.
3, 4, 5. I'd say 5 blisters and some calluses.
Yeah, the callus over there. Where is the proper placement on a hammer? You think down here? Those feel like good swings. Got a little more locked in for the 700 split. No thumb damage and just a touch under 14 minutes. I'm at 700. I'm over 700. We can do this. There's no such thing as physical. It's all mental. Oh my gosh. Look how dark my finger's gotten. While Kento's counting, we'll take a look at my hands, my fingers. I'm bleeding out. Oh. My attitude has changed a little bit. Next time you're dealing with a little client, just send them this video to remind them that you deserve better. You're worth it. And I care about you. See how fast I did that? I did that in 10 minutes. That's right. Be impressed. The 800 nail split was the fastest on record, 10:20 with not a single incident. Okay, I've slowed down here, but we are at the 900 set.
1 minute left till 2 hours.
Okay, well, I can't get to 1,000 by then, but I think we can get it in 2 and 15. Shoulder's starting to feel it.
I do think you've gotten better at it.
Yeah. Ah! Ah, there it is. More blood. I just hit it. I just hit it again. There's more blood. More blood. More black tar. But it also... That was the one. That one did me in a little bit. That one did me in. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. Oh, that one really. That got in my head. I am afraid. I'm afraid to hold the nail. There's no such thing as physical. It's all mental. Yeah, I have like 100 more at least, Kento. But the risk, Kento. I don't think I can handle doing that again. 900-ish mark, hand update. Blowing out the thumb again. Lost my temper, I apologize. Nearly wept. They don't look as bad as I thought, actually. But there's a little bit of a blister forming here. If you can see that. And there, little baby one here for one weird reason. But otherwise pretty good. Here's a cool thing I can do with my thumb. Flex it. You ever seen that? I let go of the hammer and my hand is not acclimating to grabbing it again. 900 split came across the gate right at 14 and a death blow of a thumb strike. Oh my gosh. I nearly hit my finger again. I can get through it. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. We're getting to the end. The hand is on fire. Good gravy. Good night. I will do this for 24 hours. 10,000 likes. That's all I ask. Oh, this is getting to me. This is getting to me.
And you hit wire.
Can I do this for 24 hours? I can. I can. This has got to be close to the end. I'm not going to do more than 1,000. Woo. This has had a major wear and tear on me. It's impressive. I haven't even had to carry anything. I've just been standing here. He was right. I'm not as close as I thought.
15.
14 left. Woo, baby. Oh, I got 10 more. Oh. Should got some more white monsters. Oh, that hurts, dude.
One hit.
No.
Yeah.
Finally, the last 100 took 15 and a half minutes, but only because I was scared to death about hitting my thumb again. 2 hours, 24 minutes, 1,000 nails, all done by hand. Not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty bad. Bled out pretty good on this hand, blood along the board. This is why you pay your contractor, because this stuff sucks. This is hard work. And I didn't even have to carry anything up and down. I was just standing here in my backyard hammering 1,000 nails, and contractors do this every single freaking day. Obviously, this was incredibly inefficient. That's why they invented nail guns. Some of you are running your business about as inefficient as this. CompanyCam streamlines all your communications so that the guy taking a picture over there goes straight to your pocket, back to the office, all the communications right there. Stop chasing people down, get more stuff done, and don't be like me.